Hi everyone, I'm Ling, and today I will present to you about the lathe machine that students in Hanoi University of Industry often use to practice when they have a lesson in the school workshop. There are three main types of the lathe machine. Speed lathe machine, CNC lathe machine, and the final is band lathe machine. A lathe is a machine tool that operates a workpiece about an axis of rotation to perform various operations such as casting, standing, drilling, deformation, facing, and turning with tools that are applied to the workpiece to create an object with symmetry about that axis. The advantage of the lathe machine is that they are modern and easy to maintain. In other words, they could operate automatic and smoothly. However, these lathe machines have a drawback point, which is the high price, about between $12,000 and $15,000. But honestly, I'm very proud of my university. There are many modern lathe machines for students to practice. That means we will have a lot of hands-on experience to advance student skill. Thank you for listening.